Hello, welcome back to my channel. It's empty o'clock. So let's try. This is my first ever empty video, and I welcome you all. Let's start reviewing without further ado. Let's start with the face wash. This is the Tony Moly Red Wine Foam Cleanser. This is a beautiful cleanser. It is like a little bit harsh on my skin, but it's really good for textured and oily skin. If you have a very oily skin, use this and your skin is gonna feel good, amazing. Like it just removes the excess sebum. What for my skin, I'm mostly normal to combination type skin. So my cheeks area, when I applied it too much, it starts to feel bad. So will I repurchase it? Maybe no, because it was little bit harsh on me. I cannot use this in winter. And for oily skin people, yes, you can use it any time of the year. It's good, it's amazing. But yes, if you have dry skin or even normal to dry skin, I will ask you not to try it, because it's kind of strips your skin all over the time. Firstly, it's good at first few weeks, it's nice, but if you start to use it continuously, no, 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 it can hurt you. Like, I felt my skin tagging along, वो skin खिंचती है, उस टाइप की फीलिंग आई थी. So yes, maybe for the winters, but absolutely, oh sorry, I was wrong, maybe for the summers. And if I'm living in a high humidity area, which I am living currently, but no, no, no. The category of face is this Dr. Ciracle Vegan Kombucha Tea Gel Cream. This is like the love. It's the love, seriously. Like, itna sundar hai ye. It has a beautiful gel like consistency. There is little bit left. Let me take this out. Yes, it literally absorbs into the skin into nothingness and gives you a beautiful glow. मतलब पहले तो आपको ऐसे कुछ लगेगा नहीं कि अपने स्किन पे कुछ लगाया भी है. Over the period of time, the texture it works good on the texture. Now this, it has also an essence, kombucha essence, which is very good at subtle exfoliation. And this one too, I'm not sure about the exfoliation, but this kind of evens the skin over the time. Like अगर आप इसकी continuously 2-3 jars यूज़ कर रहे हो ना, over the time all the acne scars, hyperpigmentation, ये slowly reduce करने लगता है. It's so beautiful. But the price is where it hurts. I think it is 1700 for a 50 ml product or 75 gram product. Even if it's okay to buy, but 1700 for 75 gram products, it kind of hurts my heart. But yes, I will buy it on the sale, because मैंने इसको सेल में ही लिया था and it was around 1200. So if it is on a sale, definitely try it once. You're going to love it. Second is the viral Biodance sorry, collagen toner pads. Will I repurchase it? Yes, I will repurchase it, because it has that gel like consistency that my skin loves. As I said in the previous face wash video, that if it is too harsh, it starts to tag along. मेरी स्किन खिंचती है. तो इससे पहले मेरा सबसे पहला टोनर पैड था द नंबुजिन वन. I'm so sorry. नंबुजिन वन. सो वाई दैट, उसका भी ना वैसे गॉज टाइप शीट मास्क था जो कि मेरी स्किन पे खिंचती थी. आई डिड नॉट फील लाइक द फील ऑफ दैट. दिस हैज़ अ अमेजिंग फील, एंड आफ्टर 20-30 minutes of putting it on at once, you will start to see the toner pads are turning white. It's so pretty to look at, and when you even squeeze it ना, वो सारे एसेंस बाहर आ जाते हैं. आप उसको अपने हाथों पे लगा सकते हो. इट्स अमेजिंग. सो Biodance gets a yes. Face essence that comes into the category is the Nambuzin one. As you can see, it has been used and abused, but unfortunately, after even trying it for 6 to 8 months, I have even lost the cap. I did not like it. Maybe for my skin, or I mean, after using it, I kind of found little bumps on my skin इसको इस्तेमाल करने के बाद. Maybe this is not for my skin texture. It is gonna be good, very good for the sensitive skin because it has no fragrance, okay, but not for my skin. I mean, it did not work anything. मतलब ये पूरा बॉटल ख़त्म हो गया लास्ट में. I had to give up because instead of giving me anything good, it only give me little tiny bumps, and इसको इस्तेमाल करते शुरू ही ये सब होने लगा. I had to stop. I mean, I feel bad, but of course. So no, this is a no for me. But yes, if you have like broken skin barrier, बहुत ज़्यादा rough है, it's gonna do good for you actually. Okay, now let's move on to the body care version. This is Chemistech Play Underarm Roll-On. Of course, इसका नाम किसी ने ना सुना होगा, ऐसा हो ही नहीं सकता. This is peach fragrance. ये हमारे घर में सब यूज़ करते हैं, and it actually helps in controlling the odor. I was like, yes, of course, another gimmicky product, but no, use करने के बाद तो it did help. But the problem what I noticed was the moment I stop using it, the odor will come back. So it's not like it's treating the odor, it's just only controlling the odor. If you're okay with that, that's okay. But if you want something that is gonna treat it in a good way, I guess वो हमारे पास अभी सोल्यूशन नहीं है. आई डोंट थिंक कि ऐसा कोई भी रोल ऑन है जो कि ऐसा कर सकता है. दे कैन ओनली स्टॉप इट और दे कैन ओनली प्रिवेंट इट, बट इट कांट ट्रीट इट. अबाउट अंडर आर्म वाइटनिंग और लाइटनिंग, नो, आई डिड नॉट सी एनी बिग डिफरेंस. जैसा था वैसा ही था है. एंड ऑफ कोर्स आई डू सम DIY, तो उसका अलग कुछ होगा, बट ये I did not know. I did not notice any sort of lightning. जैसा था वैसा है. बस हाँ, odor is gone. लगाया and odor is gone. कुछ नहीं रहता. बहुत बढ़िया. But the moment it fades away, odor comes back. So you have to apply it. For me, I had to apply it like every 4 hours and all if I'm outside my home. Of course, now the Vaseline Gluta High Dewy Radiance Serum and Lotion. Now I have this normal to combination skin on my face, but very dry skin all over the body. Dry, Sahara Desert like dry. अब इसको मैंने देखा सबकी फीड पे, everyone was like raving about this and all. I was like, oh nice, I like it. Okay, I'm gonna try it. It's glowy. I'm going to have that beautiful celebrity like look. I got it from Blinkit, of course. I did not order it. This, पता नहीं आपको ऐसा फीलिंग हुआ है कि नहीं. देर आर सर्टन प्रोडक्ट्स जब आप लगाओगे ना, इट्स टेंड्स टू सिट ऑन योर स्किन. मतलब एक लेयर बन जाता है, वो अंदर अब्जॉर्ब होने जैसा फील नहीं होता. जस्ट सिट्स ऑन माई स्किन, एंड दिस वन एग्जैक्टली डिड दैट. एंड वो एज ए सेट ऑन होता है ना, इट स्टार्ट्स टू हर्ट माई स्किन फॉर सम रीज़न. आई डोंट नो, मतलब ये अब्जॉर्ब ही नहीं होता था. इट वॉज टू लाइट फॉर माई बॉडी. गेस आई वॉज रॉन्ग इन दिस. मुझे थिक वाले मॉइस्चराइजर्स ही बेटर रहते. आई थॉट दैट आई माइट लाइक इट बिकॉज कुछ ड्राई स्किन वाले लोग भी बोल रहे थे कि दिस इज़ अमेजिंग, बट नो, इट डिड नॉट वर्क फॉर मी. मे बी आई हैव एक्सट्रीमली ड्राई स्किन, सो इट डिड नॉट वर्क. बट इफ़ यू हैव अ नॉर्मल स्किन, बॉडी स्किन की बात करूँ, इफ़ यू हैव नॉर्मल बॉडी स्किन, दिस गॉना be good. It has nice, I think it has a little bit fragrance also. तो मुझे ना itching सी होने लगी शरीर में. एक तो ऊपर बैठा रहता था, ऊपर से itching. So no, it's a no for me. Now the final product is the hair care one. Little bit of hair care when I said it. It's the Feeble and Men Holy Hair Roots. This is a 15 ml product that retails for I think 2000 something, and this is the free product that I got with it. Now about this one, I have little bit of mixed feeling. I love it. It really worked on me. I mean, it didn't work magic on my hair. It is obviously gonna take some time, but for the price point, I feel there are good and other good items in the market, and maybe I will not read. That is it for this video. This is my first ever empties video, and it took me 4 months to finish all of these products, and I will make sure to give you genuine reviews and everything good. I will not sugarcoat it. If it is good, it is good. If it's bad, it's bad. So please give this video a lot of love. Please like, share, subscribe, and please do comment down your reviews. What product you want? What is your skin concern? Please let me know so that I can be more informative and I can know what all my viewers want. And so I hope this video actually helped you in understanding what your skin concern is, what product should you use and what product you shouldn't use. And please don't fall for any viral claims and attempts. So okay, that is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.